Yasmin Berkson, and today I would like to talk to you about backlighting in my garden. Alright, I'm coming close to one of my very favorite daffodils here, and you can see them. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning, and there's the sun. You see the flare, major flare. You could use flare for artistic purpose. Not all the time it will ruin your pictures if you use it artistically. And these are my daffodils that I planted last year. And if you can see, they're glowing, backlit from the sunlight. It's just gorgeous. It's just beautiful. So, just when you use backlight, I use my lens hood. And if you do not have your lens hood with you, you can always use your hand, or you can use a piece of board, cut the flare. Alright, I'll take some pictures and I will post them for you guys to see. There are a patch of tulips that I planted last year as well. And there's the sun, you can see. And you can see how the tulips actually glow in this beautiful light. 12 o'clock is not the best time to take photos, perhaps, of people right outside under the sun. But for these kind of assignments, I think this light works beautifully. Just be careful that you don't have a straight light come into your lens and ruin your pictures. Don't be afraid of 12 o'clock sunlight. Just use it artistically. Put it behind your subjects and make them glow, just like these tulips glowing right now. Enjoy. Bye-bye.